Welcome. If you haven't been to this channel before, my name's Josh, also known as Pickin' for Profit. And in today's video, we're going to be going through my recently renovated duplex. If you haven't seen the 4 previous videos showing start to finish this process, make sure to check those out. Link in the description below. So in the entryway, put in new floors, obviously painted, new hardware on the doors. Then we walk right into the kitchen. As you remember before, the kitchen, so here we put in new floors like we talked about. Brand new windows, which you can't really see because they're just all white. We kept the old cabinetry, which saved us a lot of money there. Just sprayed them white. Black hardware, granite countertop, double basin sink, new appliances. Refrigerator down here is used. New light fixture. And we walk through here. This is the living room and the dining room, which is all combined into one. Back on this wall is the wall that in the previous video you remember me talking about having an accent wall. We went with this shiplap, which looks really cool and very clean and simple. Then we walk around here. This in a previous video is where we kept all our tools. Yeah, no more tools in here. We kept with the same floor throughout. Same paint color, again, new windows, same hardware, black light fixtures. And then we walk into a smaller room, which is still a good sized room. Again, all the same things. And then we walk out here. And it's just a little sunroom, patio, little bonus room. And then we walk into the bathroom. Sorry about the exhaust fan, but a little bit better lighting. We went with black 12 by 24 tiles on the floor. Black accents, new sink, vanity just because it's more durable. We kept, this is actually the old tub. We just resprayed it all. That was 250 bucks, so well worth it. We went with an 8 by 24 inch subway tile all the way to the ceiling. Looks really good. And then just some nice black accents. And then one of the things that I like the most is in the previous video I was talking about exposing this brick and leaving it open. I think it turned out really cool. It was a nice, more industrial, modern design, and I'm really happy with the way it turned out. Alright, let's go through. This actually just hides an old electrical box or a fuse panel that is no longer there. And so that's the property. How about I put this up on the tripod and we'll start talking some numbers. Alright, let's talk numbers. I know in a previous video we discussed what I wanted to do. Let's actually find out what I did. I put on a new roof. That was $4,500. I put in new windows. That was $6,500. Flooring throughout, about $2,500. Trim, paint, miscellaneous stuff like that, I would say about another $2,000. Then we had tiles in the kitchen, tiles in the bathroom, tiles on the floor. That's about another $2,000. We had electric, new service panel, and fortunately I had good people that work with me, and that was only a few $100. I also got granite countertops in the lower unit. That was $600. It was actually a remnant from someone else I know. And upstairs where I live, I did a concrete countertop, so that was only $200 in materials. Then I have sinks on both units. Those are about $200 each, plus the plumbing. That's another couple $100. Then we have appliances. Upstairs were both brand new. That was about $1,000. Downstairs I went with a brand new stove. That was about $500. And then I went with a used refrigerator that I was sold, said it worked perfectly. Come to find out it didn't. I paid $350 for that. Now I have to pay a service man to come and fix it. That'll probably be another couple $100. Then I paid to get the bathroom tub downstairs refinished. That was $250. Also got brand new HVAC system. So furnace, air conditioner, coils. That was almost $7,000. I also paid for new gutters and soffits. That was $500. Locks, door handles, that sort of thing, $200. New blinds, almost $500. Front door, $300. Light fixtures, fans, another few $100s. So as you can see, the totals really add up and it got more expensive than I wanted, but we still came in at a very good price. Since I do most of the work myself, as well as hire a couple buddies to help, the actual cost of labor is very low. Most of the cost that I'm talking about is just materials. So after going over all the numbers with you, am I happy with what we achieved on this property? I am. I spent a little more than I wanted to, but in theory, we should have no more issues for the next 10 years at least. So that's a plus. Following the process along as I renovated this place. I know it took a little longer than we all expected, but it's finally done. It's finally rented out. We got the lease signed. So if you like what you see, make sure to leave a comment in the box below, hit that thumbs up button, and please subscribe. Peace.